Many of you are familiar with the concept of artificial intelligence, right? But do you know the 7 potential ways that AI could evolve soon? The evolution of AI doesn't simply pertain to its various stages or levels. It encompasses the diverse pathways through which AI could advance to better serve humanity's needs. In today's AI-driven world, whether you are a seasoned AI enthusiast or a curious beginner, understanding the AI evolutionary journey is very important. In this video, we are going to attempt to break down the evolution of AI into 7 easy-to-understand chapters. To begin, let's start with the first way AI could evolve. Chapter 1. Augmented Intelligence. Augmented intelligence is designed to work with humans to enhance their capabilities, rather than remove humans from the picture. It relies on machine learning and deep learning to crunch through reams of data, which humans then use to make decisions and take action. According to Henny Ben-Amour, associate professor at Arizona State University's School of Computing and Augmented Intelligence, augmented intelligence is designed to show intelligent behavior too, but its differentiator is working with humans to improve the task to be done or decision to be made. In augmented intelligence research, it is widely accepted that if we want a future where humans have a productive role to play, then augmented intelligence will become more and more increasingly important. One of the key usages of augmented intelligence is found in self-driving cars. Self-driving cars might sound like no human oversight is needed, but that isn't always the case. In fact, Tesla vehicles use augmented intelligence. Although its autopilot software is being developed so that cars can largely navigate roads autonomously, there are times when they require human intervention in certain emergencies, like cars suddenly pulling into the driver's lane or slamming on the brakes on short notice. Another usage of augmented intelligence is in helping retailers identify store bottlenecks. Data visualization company Radius AI uses augmented intelligence to suggest to retailers where bottlenecks are occurring in their stores that could impede sales or where product placements may get noticed more. But it's up to humans to then make those changes and optimize retail operations based on suggestions from the augmented intelligence system. Chapter 2. Generative AI. Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence technology that can produce various types of content, including text, imagery, audio, and synthetic data. It is based on the idea that machines can learn to generate realistic output by analyzing large amounts of existing data. Generative AI uses unsupervised or semi-supervised learning to process large amounts of data and generate original outputs. It is an evolutionary phase of AI that has been a focused area of AI innovation since the early 2010s, when researchers began to experiment more broadly with large language models, LLMs, and apply natural language technology, NLT, solutions to unstructured data. If we look at the differences between generative AI and traditional AI, we see that generative AI produces new content, chat responses, designs, synthetic data, or deepfakes, while traditional AI has focused on detecting patterns, making decisions, honing analytics, classifying data, and detecting fraud. Chapter 3. Composite AI. Going beyond machine learning. Composite AI is a new approach to AI that combines different AI techniques to achieve the best results. It fuses different AI disciplines and techniques, adding user context to content and intent to deliver significantly more relevant and accurate search results. It is also known as multidisciplinary AI. Composite AI is an evolutionary phase of AI that provides a platform to solve a wider range of business problems in a more effective manner. It is an emerging term for integrating different AI technologies into a single solution in a systematic way to approach complex business problems holistically. Regarding practical examples, in medicine, Amsterdam University Medical Center has demonstrated the power of composite AI by combining technologies like computer vision, data visualization, and machine learning to evaluate the efficacy of treatments for cancer patients. This mix enables doctors to visualize chemotherapy response based on the change in total tumor volume, an analysis that's difficult to see with a naked eye, but can significantly improve overall survival rates. Chapter 4. Steroid AI. More powerful hardware for more intelligence. The main idea behind Steroid AI is improving the capacity of intelligent systems by using increasingly powerful hardware, such as neuromorphic hardware or quantum computing. Such advances will not change AI in any fundamental way. Rather, it will allow companies to build AI solutions that are extremely fast and can encapsulate ever more data and knowledge. For example, a virtual customer assistant may now have the computing capacity to respond to questions about product A and B, but with more powerful hardware, it could also cover products C, D, and E. Advances in this area are ongoing, but the time frame of its impact is uncertain. Neuromorphic computing is projected to have an impact within 3 to 5 years, while quantum and other more advanced systems will take longer. Chapter 5. Transcendent Intelligence, Synergy of Humans and AI. Like augmented intelligence, transcendent intelligence takes human intelligence as a starting point. But in this case, it complements human intelligence using invasive human brain implants. The concept of transcendent intelligence introduces a fascinating realm where the synergy between human intelligence and technological augmentation reaches unprecedented levels. In this paradigm, the augmentation goes beyond mere enhancement, delving into the realm of invasive human brain implants. While still in its infancy, this concept holds profound implications for various fields, ranging from healthcare and assistive technology to aviation and beyond. Transcendent intelligence envisions a future where individuals can transcend their natural cognitive limits, harnessing technology to enhance their mental faculties. This augmentation isn't restricted to physical disabilities alone. It extends to cognitive abilities, memory retention, information processing, and even creativity. Imagine a musician composing symphonies with an implanted interface that translates their thoughts directly into music notes, or a writer crafting novels through a neural link that translates ideas into words effortlessly. While the field of transcendent intelligence is in its early stages, some notable prototypes offer a glimpse into its potential. The development of artificial limbs that respond to neural signals demonstrates the initial steps toward integrating technology with the human brain. Chapter 6. Autonomous AI. Leaping toward adaptability. Autonomous artificial intelligence is a technology that leverages artificial intelligence functionalities to their maximum capacity, allowing for a faster and more effective response in tasks like object detection, behavior analytics, autonomous tracking, and scalable responses to events. Autonomous AI orchestrates different tasks across various AI algorithms, allowing it to complete and follow through tasks under time-stressed scenarios. Autonomous AI brings together all the potential of each artificial intelligence algorithm it interacts with to produce better results. This allows human operators to delegate repetitive tasks and focus on better strategic approaches to particular issues. Autonomous artificial intelligence is an advancement in current AI technology, although its AI cannot develop an awareness of its environment or itself as humans do. But autonomous AI can make its own decisions in various emergencies or is highly critical. Autonomous AI orchestrates the different technologies needed to solve a problem in any of these cases and uses the most relevant ones at its discretion based on parameters set by humans. Through highly calculating, cooperative, and self-reliant machines, it solves many of the most challenging problems in critical industries. Autonomous artificial intelligence can work without human intervention in specific tasks to accelerate and improve detection, recognition, and response in sectors like law enforcement, banking, retail, and industrial operations. Chapter 7. General AI. An elusive pipe dream. The final scenario is the elusive concept of general AI, also known as artificial general intelligence, AGI. It is the representation of generalized human cognitive abilities in software so that, faced with an unfamiliar task, the AGI system could find a solution. AGI is considered to be strong AI, which contrasts with weak or narrow AI, which is the application of artificial intelligence to specific tasks or problems. AGI is theoretical, whereas narrow AI is in practical use today. Unlike AI, which relies on ever-expanding datasets to perform more complex tasks, AGI will exhibit the same attributes as those associated with the human brain, including common sense, background knowledge, transfer learning, abstraction, and causality. General AI is an evolutionary phase of AI, which refers to AI systems that possess human-level intelligence, or even surpass human intelligence across a wide range of tasks. Strong AI would be capable of understanding, reasoning, learning, and applying knowledge to solve complex problems in a manner similar to human cognition. However, the development of strong AI is still largely theoretical and has not been achieved to date. Most AI scientists today agree that AGI is still many decades away and will require fundamental breakthroughs in neuroscience and computer science, as well as massive advances in computer power. It will also require the mitigation of profound societal and human implications that are yet to be discovered. In conclusion, the evolution of AI is not just about machines becoming smarter. It's about humanity rising to its fullest potential with the aid of these remarkable tools. The 7 chapters of AI's evolution reveal not just technological advancements, but also a reflection of our collective aspirations to build a world that's better, smarter, and more harmonious. Thank you for watching. Please comment down below with the word yes to confirm to us that the video was meaningful. We request you to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Please watch the recommended videos to further explore the fascinating field of artificial intelligence. Thank you so much,